Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is objective type questions in quadratic equation. Now, first question is, if the value of discriminant of a quadratic equation is 0, then write the nature of roots of quadratic equation. Now, if the value of discriminant of quadratic equation is 0, then so discriminant is equal to 0 they have given. Then the roots are real and equal. Understood? Next, write the standard form of quadratic equation. The standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Next, if one root of the quadratic equation x plus 4 into x plus 3 equals 0 is minus 4, then find the another root of the equation. Here x plus 4, its root they have given minus 4. Now we have to calculate the root of x plus 3. Now the root of another equation means root of x plus 3 is equal to x is equal to minus 3. We should write minus 3. While transposing plus 3 towards right hand side, it will become minus 3. Next, write x plus 1 by 2 equals 1 by x in the standard form of. Now here they have given x plus 1 by 2 equals 1 by x. Now you do cross multiplication. X into x plus 1 is equal to 2 into 1. Okay. Now x into x plus 1 equals 2 into 1. X into x what? X square plus 1 into x 1x. See, x into x x square, 1 into x 1x is equal to 2 into 1 2. Now standard form x square plus x, bring this 2 towards left hand side, minus 2 equals 0. Now the standard form of x plus 1 by 2 equals 1 by x is x square plus x minus 2 equals 0. Next, write the discriminant of quadratic equation ax square plus c equals 0. Now discriminant, now let us write ax square. Here they do not give b, so write 0b plus c equals 0. Now a is equal to what? A only. Then b equals 0. Then c equals 1. Understood? Sorry, c equal c only they give. Now discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now b means what here? 0. 0 square minus 4 into a means a only, c means c. Now discriminant is equal to minus 4ac. Understood? Next, find the value of the discriminant of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 4x plus 3. Now here they have given 2x square minus 4x plus 3. Now here delta, sorry, a is equal to what? 2. B equals minus 4. C equals 3. Now delta or discriminant is equal to here d also you can write d is equal to minus 4ac. Now delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Delta means d here, discriminant is equal to b square means minus 4 square minus 4 into a means 2, c means 3. Now 4 4s are how much? 16. Now minus into minus plus, here minus 4 2s are 8 3s are 24. Now discriminant is equal to, if you take out 16 from 24, you have to take out 16 from 24. How much it will become? 8. So big number is having minus sign, so minus 8. Discriminant is equal to minus 8. This is the answer. Next one, find the value of discriminant of the quadratic equation 4x square minus 12x plus 9. Same above step you should follow. Here a is equal to 4, b equals minus 12 and c equals 9. Now delta or discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. b square means minus 12 square minus 4, a means 4 and c means 9. Now 12 into 12, 144 minus 4 4s are 16, 16 9s are 144. Now discriminant is equal to plus 144 minus 144 it will go. So now discriminant is equal to 0. So the roots are real and equal, like this way if it comes means 0 means, understood. In first question they have asked find the, if the value of discriminant of a quadratic equation is 0, see like this way 0 will come, then nature of the roots it will become here real and equal. Here they did not tell nature but only ask the value, understood. Next, find the discriminant value of the equation x square plus 5x plus 5. Now a is equal to how much? 1, b equals 5, c equals 5. Now discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now discriminant is equal to b means 5 square minus 4 into 1, c means 5. 5 5s are how much? 25. 5 square means 5 into 5. 4 5s are 24. 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Now discriminant is equal to, if you take out 20 from 25 you will get 5. So answer is how much? 5, understood. Next, find the roots of the equation. Here they told only roots. Now x plus 3 equals 0, x minus 4 equals 0. Now x is equal to, take 3 towards right hand side, it will become minus 3. Now here x is equal to plus 4. Therefore roots are minus 3 and 4, understood. Next, find the positive root of x minus 3 and x plus into x plus 5 equals 0. Here they told, here x minus 3 into x plus 5. So positive root they told, positive root means here we have to take this negative expression x minus 3 equals 0. Now here you will get positive root, minus 3 transpose towards right hand side, you will get plus 3, understood. Now answer is what? Plus 3. Next, write the discriminant of the equation ax square plus bx plus c. Now discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Understood? Next, for what value of k the equation kx square minus 6x minus 2 has equal roots, they told. Now here a equals k, b equals minus 6, c equals minus 2. Now this equation has real root. Now here discriminant is equation has equal roots. Now here the discriminant is equal to what you should write? First write formula. Now here b square minus 4ac equals 0. Now how much? Here b square means minus 6 square minus 4, a means how much? K, c means minus 2. Now 6 square means 36, minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8k greater than or equal to 0. Now 36 is equal to minus 8k. Now k equals 36 by minus 8. Here see this equation, instead of equal you should write this. Understood? Remember. Now k is greater than or equivalent to 8 1s are 4 2s are and 4 9s are. So k value we will get minus 9 by 2. Here roots are real if b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. Afterwards you should follow these steps. Next, find the discriminant of the quadratic equation 3 root 3x square plus 10x plus root 3. Here discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now a is equal to 3 root 3, b equals 10, c equals root 3. Now discriminant is equal to b square means 10 square minus 4, a means 3 root 3, c means root 3. Now 10 tens are 100 minus 4 into 3 root 3 into 3, 3 3 is how much? 9. 100 minus 4 into 3 square root of 9 is 3. Now 100 minus 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Now discriminant is equal to, if you subtract 36 from 100 you will get 64. Understood? This is the value of or the discriminant of quadratic equation 3 root 3 x square plus 10x plus root 3. Next, find the discriminant of the equation x square minus 2x minus 3. Here a equals 1, b equals minus 2 and c equals minus 3. Now discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now discriminant is equal to b means minus 2, b square means minus 2 whole square, minus 4 into a means 1, c is minus 3. Now minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4, minus into minus plus, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 1, 12. D is equal to 12 plus 4 is 16. Here the discriminant of the equation x square minus 2x minus 3 is 16. Next, find the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 7x plus 2. Here they told roots. Here why this is the first expression, this is middle expression, and this one is third expression. Here you have to take the, while multiplying you should get 12, or while adding you should get 7. So product you should get how much? 12, and sum you should get how much? 7. So here while factorizing, 4 3s are 12 you will get. If you add 4 and 3 you will get 7. Now x square you should split middle term and write 4x plus 3x. If you add 4x and 3x you will get 7x plus 12. Now take common. Here which is common? X. X is, if you divide x square by x you will get x minus, if you divide 4x by x you will get 4. Here plus sign. Here also 3 into x plus 3 4s are 12. So 3 is common here. If you take out 3 and 3 remains here x. Here 3 4s are 12. Now x plus 3 and x plus 4. Now x plus 3 equals 0. X is equal to, while transposing plus 3 towards right hand side you will get minus 3. Now x plus 4 equals 0. X is equal to plus 4 you take towards right hand side, it will get minus 4. Therefore roots are x equals minus 3 and minus 4. Next, find the discriminant of the quadratic equation 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3. Here discriminant they told. Now here first you take out, here you bring this to standard form. Here denominator is 3 here. This denominator you have to multiply to each fraction. Now multiply by 3. So 3x square into 3 minus 2x into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 3. See, now 3 ones are 3 ones are. Now 3x square, sorry, 3 into 3, 9. 9x square minus 3 2 is 6x plus 1 you got. Now it is in the standard form. Here a is equal to 9, b equals minus 6, c equals 1. Now discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. b square means minus 6 square minus 4 into a means 9, c means 1. Now minus 6 into minus 6 plus 6, 9 4s are 36. Now discriminant is equal to plus 36 minus 36 will go, discriminant is equal to 0. Next, find the solution to the quadratic equation x square minus 25 equals 0. Here x square minus 25 equals 0. Solution here, x square take this minus 25 towards right hand side. It will become plus 25. Now, x is equal to root 25. So, square root of 25 is plus or minus 5. Now, therefore, x is equal to plus 5 and minus 5. This is the answer. Understood? What are the solution to the equation x square minus 4x? Follow the same step here also. Now, x square is equal to minus 4x will become plus 4x. Now, x is equal to root 4x. Now, x is equal to square root of 4 is 2 and inside x you will get. Now, here plus 2 root x and minus 2 root x. This is the answer. Understood? So, see correctly once again all problems and do without seeing. Very important questions in quadratic equation. Thank you for watching.